Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs DIY tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you my simple tutorial. This is a simple candle holder. This is made of wine glass decorated with crystals and fill in with some macaroni as a base for our candle. So we need this white glass, medium plate, a lace for the decoration of our plate as a base for our candle holder. So we need also a hot glue gun so that we can fix this lace and just simply fix it with the use of a hot glue. Add a little bit glue on one side and fold it. Just a simple fold or pleats and undo it. The same procedure until you finish at the end of the other side of the plate. So sit back and relax and watch this video from the beginning till the end so that you will get to know how to create a simple candle holder, and this will serve as a home decoration and a table centerpiece at home. This is for all time season of the year. You can use this for any season because this candle holder is decorated for all the season. So it's September now, so it's the month of the beer month. So let's try to create our own home decoration. Christmas is fast approaching, so we still have more time to create our home decoration. If you have more time, don't waste your time, just use your time to create different things, different DIY projects. So if you want to learn different projects for home decoration, just click on my playlist and you can find all my video tutorials. So here, this is a plate decorated already with a simple lace. Just use any recycled plate and decorate anything. It is not necessarily the same as this. So if you have other thing, if you have some other ribbon, for example, use the ribbon if you don't have a lace, or you can cut out some beautiful clothes and you can do the same like this lace. Just fix it with the glue and fold it and do it along the side until you finish at the end. So this wine glass is already decorated on the top, and you're going to take another decoration to be decorated in the center of this wine glass to add more beauty and more presentable looking. So stay tuned until the end of this video so that you can see how I created this very simple candle holder. So just use a hot glue gun. Just be careful because the hot glue is very hot. And when you are fixing into the glass, just fix a little bit glue on both sides only of your decoration so that your work will not be messy. It will be clean and neat. So the wine glass is already decorated with crystals, and after decorating this with the crystal, we have to fix some artificial flowers just to add the beauty of our candle holder and to cover the other side of this wine glass para matabunan yung dinugtungan niya, to eliminate the or to cover the portion that I have added an extension or additional crystals on the back side. So we have to cover this portion with some artificial flowers. Okay, so this is very simple as this, so you can do it, I can do it, and you can do it. Okay, just use any recycled materials as long as it can be used for your decoration. And this is a very much saving money if you know how to decorate. And just keep always a hot glue gun at home, so that if you are going to create anything, any DIY project, so you can do it because you have a hot glue, and also prepare with a glue stick. That is very important in creating a DIY project at home. So our wine glass is decorated already with crystals, and now I'm going to add some flowers in order to add more beauty, more attraction. So now it's already done. I added an artificial flowers. So this is it. So I need to fill inside this wine glass with a macaroni, a small type of elbow macaroni, as our base for our candle. So you can use anything like broken glasses, crystals, stones, sands, or you can use rice as a base for your candle. But now I am using these small types of pasta, elbow macaroni, and now we will light the candle, and we will put on the top of the wine glass. But guys, just to remind you or inform you that never light the candle when you are not attending to your table. Okay, do not light the candle if you are not at home. Okay, I am just lighting this candle just to show you how beautiful it is when it is lighted. But this candle that I have lighted now just for presentation of my project. So this project is the purpose is just for a table centerpiece and a home decoration, and don't light the candle. You can put a candle without lighting it, just for a table centerpiece and a home decoration. I hope guys you understand what I mean. Okay, take care and keep safe, and thank you for watching this premiere. I hope you like this simple tutorial. So if you want to learn different project like this, just click on my playlist. You can find all my tutorials for home decoration. Just click my playlist, Best Out of West or Home Decoration by Rafthelsavlogs. Till here, and God bless everyone. Greetings from Rafthelsavlogs. It's already beer months, and let's try to start to create our DIY home decorations. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Ciao.